Okay, good morning, everyone, to you all this morning, or good afternoon to you all this afternoon. Welcome to another session with Ant Solution again. So, in our last class, I remember I gave you a take-home assignment, and I've seen your solution. So, before the commencement of today's session, let's go over the solution to the assignment I have in class. Now, uh, the first question I gave was uh, page 108, question 33. Now, here comes the solution to the question there. It says, number of children is given and number of families are given. So we have to find the mean, median, and mode, respectively. The mean, median, and mode, respectively. So we start. The first thing is the table, the number of children, then over number of families. So I have 0, 7, 1. I have 2, 6. I have 3, 7. So I have 4, 7. I have 5, then 5. Then lastly, I have 6, then 3. Now, we are told to find the mean, median, and mode respectively. Now, mean, median, and mode respectively. So, here comes the solution for mean, median, and mode respectively. First, to get the mean equals summation fx over summation f. Now, what is the summation fx? It means this times this, f times x, 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 f times x. So we start. So we have the first one, 7 times 0, plus the next 1 times 1, plus the next 6 times 2, then next 7 times 3, next we have 7 times 4, next we have 5 times 5. Sum of all this, that's 0, 1, that's 12. We have 21. We have 28. We have 25. Then we have 18. Divided by, we have 7 plus 1 plus 6 plus 7 plus 7 plus 5 plus 3. So here we have the mean. The mean says we add all this together. 0 plus 1, 1, plus 12, 13, 13 plus 21, that's 44. 44 plus 28, that's 52. 52 plus 25, that's 77. 77 plus 18, that's 95. So I have 95. Divided by 7 plus 1, 8, plus 6, 14, plus 7, that's 21, plus 7, 28. 28 plus 5, that's 20, no, 33. 33 plus 3, that's 36. Okay? So when we add this, you divide this, you have your answer in decimal place. Okay, let me use my calculator so we can have the exact answer. You can have the exact answer. So I have this. Then so I can say 1 plus 12 plus 21 plus 28 plus 25 plus 18. So I have 105. So I have 105. Okay. 12, 21, 28, 25, 18. Very good. I have 7 plus 1 plus 6 plus 7 plus 7 plus 5. So I have 33. So I have 3. So you divide both sides, that's 105 by 33. So the exact answer you should have is 3.18. Finally, 3.18. So yeah, we are moving to the next one, the mode. Now, for this question, the mode is 0 because we have 0 IS, 3 IS, 4 IS. We have 3 numbers occurring the most. 3 numbers occurs the most. So the mode is 0. So for the median, so we start with the median. Now, the frequency here, total number there is 33. Now, that tells us that it is odd numbers. Now, if you divide 33 by 2, so I have this, dividing 33 by 2. Yeah, I have 33 divided by 2. So I am left with 16.5. So here says 33 divided by 2 equals to 16.5. So we count 16 to one side, 16 to one side. Then the middle value will be our answer. So let's start. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 6 is 14. I stop there. 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 plus 7 is 15. Now, 15 says I take 1 out of this man here to add it to this one to be 16, and I take the remaining value out of this man to add it to this one to be 16. So your middle value is 3. So median is 3. Median is 3. Counting them into 2 equal halves. If you want to start by doing the scenarios, then start by writing 0 7 times, 1 times, 2 6 times, 3 7 times, 4 7 times, 5 7 times, 5 times, then 6 3 times. Then count 1 number to the left, 1 number to the right, 1 number to the left, 1 number to the right. Then you as well assume or derive your answer as median is 3, not any other value aside 3. So the solution to the first assignment is on the board. Now, the second assignment I gave was the question a student asked in class. And I said I'll be touching that in the next session. So that is the question 27 of the same page. The question 27 of the same page. Now, before I rub this part, is there any question relating to this part? Any question from you guys? Okay, in the absence of no question,
No, sir.
this assignment, the solution comes up. The second assignment says that we are given X and Y as the mean. So we say X is the mean and Y is the median. Now, from this data set value, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 21. Find X over Y. Find X over Y. Now, that's our question. Here comes a solution. The solution says that even without touching this data value, by arranging them in order, we know that our median is always the middle number. So one number here, 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 one number here. So the median is always the middle number. So median Y equals to 15 plus 16 divided by 2. So that is 31 divided by 2. So 31 divided by 2 will give us a value of decimal. So I can say it is 15.5. 15.5. Now, for the mean, x says that 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, then 21. We add all this together, divided by the total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 10. So we want to add all these numbers also. So adding all these numbers, I have 31 divided by 2. So, okay, 11
That's
plus 12. Yes?
156, sir.
150.
6.
56. Thank you. So
Yes,
we
sir.
have 1. So here becomes 156 divided by 10. So if you divide it by 10, we have 15.6. Now, the question says find x divided by y. So our x is 15.6 divided by 15.5. So what do you think our answer is? 15.6 divided by 15.5.
That's 1.00645.
6. So approximately your answer is 1. Is that clear?
Yes,
Your
sir.
answer is 1. So
Sir.
that is that about that. The two solutions to your assignment has been solved. I believe
Sir.
I've made it clear to you guys. Your question.
Okay, sir, I have another question that you should solve.
Okay. Yeah, what's the question?
Okay, that's page 80. The question says we should find the frequency of this table.
Okay, page 8.
Find the mean. Yes.
Question what?
Page question 83 to 85.
Question 83 to 85.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
let's address that. Let's address that. Now, for the question, we have a table there. Now, this is how the table should look like. We have x, then the frequency. So we have 0, 20. We have 1, 18. We have 2, 7. And we have 3, 5. This is how the table should look like. Now, they said question 83 says calculate the mean of x. The mean of x. Now, the next one says calculate the median of x. And the last one says what is the range of x. The question is simple, straight, and direct. I hope I made myself clear. The question is
Yes,
simple,
sir.
straight, and direct. The table given to you, you can see where we label X there, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Now, that means your question is directing you to that point where you label X only. You have no business to do with the frequency. Remember,
Okay.
3 says the mean of X. For them to include that X, that means you are focusing on X, not the frequency. Is that clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So it
Yes,
is a
sir.
simple. So if you go with the mean of X now, let's find the mean of X. The mean says that summation of X divided by N. So summation 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 divided by how many do we have? 4. So we have add all this together, 6 divided by 4. And that will give us, I think, 1 point, 1 point, whatever we have there. Decimal answer, you should have it in the option. So I should have 1.5. Yes, 1.5 because that's 3 over 2 automatically. 6 divided by 4. 1.5 is your answer. So you should
Yes,
have
sir.
1. 1.5 is in the option. That's option A. You can see that. Is that clear? So I can leave you to solve the remaining one. So we can move to what we have today. Then for 85, let me show you for 85, the range. Okay, let's just solve everything. Because 83 is for mean. For 84 is the median. The median is always the middle number. So the median, so 84 says that 1 plus 2 divided by 2. So that is 3 over 2. Final answer is 1.5 also for 84. Is that clear? The
Sorry, sir.
median. Yes.
Sorry, sir. So
Yes.
I thought this is a group data, so you are expected to. I thought you would solve it like by x equal summation fx over f summation f, since it's a
Yes.
group data.
Thank you very much. They said, hold on, coming back to the beginning of the question, they said the frequency table to answer 83 to 85. Now, we are given x and we are given frequency. The question says, calculate the mean of x. I have found the mean of x. Now, let's now use the idea of your frequency table to find the mean. Then we will now justify our answer to see where I am going to. Is that clear? Shall we?
Yeah, yes, sir.
On fast, please. So yeah, let's use the idea of the frequency table now. So this come into play. So I say mean summation fx over summation f. Now summation fx is 20 times 0 plus 18 times 1 plus 2 times 7 plus 3 times 5 divided by 20, 18, 7, 5. Here is 0, 18, 14, then 15, divided by 20, 18, 7, 5. Add the above together. What do we have?
47.
The above is 47. The below. The below, what do we have?
50.
12 plus
Below
18.
50.
40.
Size
No?
50.
50.
C. Yes, sir.
7 divided by 50. You'll be having 0 points. And compare this 0 point with what we have in the option.
0.94.
0 point what?
94.
0.94.
0.94.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
94. We have 0.94 in the option, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
We have it in the option, right?
Yes,
Now,
sir.
thank you that we have that in the option. And we also have this also, the main that we arrive at here in the option. Are we there?
Yes, sir.
Are we together?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
directive of our question. It says, calculate the mean of x. Are we there? The mean of x. Where is x? That's my question.
Of
Just give me
numbers.
x are the numbers given above, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much. So we need to follow the direction of our question, not just based on logic. Is that clear?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
So the median is always the middle number, isn't it? And the middle number that we have here is 0, 1, 2, 3. If we are to get the middle number for x, then it will be 1 plus 2 divided by 2, and that is 1.5. So if you are to go with the answer for this median, it will be 1 or 2. Is that clear? But just because we don't have any 2 here, so your median will be 1. Is that clear?
Yes,
Your
sir.
median 1 for the options here. 1. Is that clear? Then for the mode, we are not told to find the mode, but the mode is 0 also. So for the range of value, it is 0 to 3. So it is 3 minus 0, it is 3. But yeah, they said it is 0 to 3, 5 to 20. So the range of value is 3, not 0 to 3. So you go with option D. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
You go with
Thank
option
you, sir.
D. Thank you. So I can move away from statistics now. Or do we still have anyone bringing in question?
Sorry, sir.
Anyone?
I don't want to be about what to solve on the board. I'm just joining the class. I don't understand what's on the board.
Hey, you know what? You will watch the video. It is a recorded video. We don't have time. Okay, I want to move on to the next topic.
Okay, sir.
Yes. At the end of the class, they'll send you a link where you can watch the video again. So let me introduce you to a new topic called probability. 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 Okay. I believe we have idea of what probability is. Now, we'll introduce ourselves again to what we define as probability. When you are finding difficulty choosing making a choice when selecting objects, we use probability to get the exact choice you want. Now, we can define probability as an event of trial. Yes, an event of trial that help you to decide whether or not this is right or this is wrong. Now, let's take for instance, I use a story like this when I explain probability, because probability of an event to occur is always 1. Now, probability for an event not to occur is always 0. Now, I and my wife, we are married. Now, we are expecting a baby. Now, the probability that I'll be expecting a baby is 1 already. Probability that I am not expecting a baby is 0 because I can't decide. I am only on trial. Now, someone is now having a conversation with me. Then the question is asked that the probability that your wife is going to give birth to a baby is what? That brought about the knowledge of probability. Now, the probability that my wife is giving birth to a baby is 1. Now, what if you are now asked, what is the probability of your wife giving birth to a goat? What will be my answer? The answer is always 0. Yes, because every male and female will give birth to a male and a female. Every human being will give birth to a human being. No human being will give birth to animals, and no animals will give birth to human beings. That is just the explanation I gave. Now, the mathematical terms behind this says that the probability of my wife giving birth to a baby is 1. Now, the baby is either a boy or a girl. That is where we come into play. That probability of me giving birth to a baby girl is 1/2. Now, probability of me giving birth to a baby boy is 1/2. Now, the combined probability of me giving birth to a baby says that a baby girl and a baby boy coming together to form one baby. It means a half and a half come together to form 1. So probability of me giving birth to a baby is 1. because it is either half a girl or half a boy. So probability of giving birth to a baby is 1. Probability of giving birth to a baby girl is half. Probability of giving birth to a baby boy is half. Probability of giving birth to anything other than a baby is always 0. I hope I've made myself clear there. Now, we also have some conditions in probability that I will introduce you to. Now, conditions like mutually exclusive. Yes, mutually exclusive, I use the word and there. Whenever you hear the word and, you are talking about mutually exclusive event. That is, both events will occur. Both events will occur. But when we talk about mutually exclusive and I think independent event also. Yes, an independent event is that is not mutually exclusive. So that one we use the word or. Now, when you hear the word or, it means either of the two events can come into play. Now, let's bring into play the formula that guides all this. Probability of an event to occur. Event to occur is 1. The probability for an event not to occur is 0. Now, probability of events, event of giving birth equals 1. Probability of events of giving birth to a boy is half. Probability of an event of giving birth to a girl is also half. So the combined probability of giving birth equals to probability of giving birth to a boy. Giving birth to a boy plus probability of giving birth to a girl. So I can say 1 year equals to half plus half. Now, for an event, so we have for mutually, yes, mutually exclusive. So we say probability of A and B. So that means probability of A, the word and times probability of B. Both will occur. For mutually exclusive, there's one language I need to use here. Mutually exclusive, okay, I will remember that. For the next one is just let me say where you use the case of or. Here we use the case of and. Here we will use the case of or. Here, so we say probability of A or B. The name given to you, I'll remember and I'll give it to you in class before the end of today. Or B. Now, these are all the ideas of probability that I expect you to know, because question given to us will not exceed all this idea here. Now, we also take note that probability of events not occur equals to 1 minus probability of events to occur. Please take note. So we can say that probability of not E equals to 1 minus probability of E. So those are the formulas that I can use to guide our classes and use it to explain for us what probability is for today's class. Now, let me start by bringing in 1, 2, or 3 questions. Then with those questions, we can now get the directive of where our question is coming from. So I go into the past question. Before I bring in the first question, please, is there anyone that want to ask me a question based on my explanation? Anyone with question based on my explanation? Okay. In the absence of no question, so I start with, okay. For my past question, page 20. Page 20, question 37. Page 20, question 37. Page 20, question 37. Question 37. So let me clean everything. So, yeah, we all have the past question. So I will only read it as the letters of the word calculation. The letters of the word calculations are cut and put into the box. One letter is drawn at random from the box. Find the probability of drawing a vowel. Probability of drawing vowels. Now, the question is given. The letters of the word calculations. Now, this question recalls or bring our idea of combination, permutation and combination into probability. Now, we need to know the number of ways we can arrange the word calculations, but we won't go there. Now, the letters of the word calculations are cut into pieces. So, how many pieces do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Total outcome. Total outcome equals to 12. 3, 3, 3, 3. 12. Now, take note. Probability of an event equals to required outcome over total possible outcome. Total outcome. Now, this question has helped us to define this formula. Take note of this formula. Probability of an event will always be the required outcome over total outcome. Now, for this question, the total outcome is the number of letters present in this word. Now, what would be our required outcome? Our required outcome is the probability we are looking for. They said the letters of this word are cut into pieces. Now, one is picked at random. What is the probability that the letter picked is a vowel? Now, how many vowels do we have in this word here? So we start. A vowel, a vowel, a vowel. First, what are vowels? A, E, I, O, U. Any of these alphabets that you can find in this word are your vowels. So I can find A, I can find U, I can find A, I can find O, and I can find I. So how many vowels do I have altogether? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 5. So probability of picking a vowel from the word calculation is 5 required outcome over 12 possible outcome. And that is my answer. Any question based on this question, the question I just finished now from the board? Any question from you guys? Anyone? 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 Okay, in the absence of no question. So I'll go over my past question again to bring one more question that will also give us an understanding of probability. This is what I was trying to let you know earlier. All right. Open to page 104. Page 104. Page 104. Question 4. Question 4. Shall we? It says, the probability of picking letter S. Probability of picking letter S from the word admission. From the word admission. Probability of picking letter S. From the word admission. Probability of picking letter S from the word admission is what? Same logic, same idea, same solution. Class, we are still using the same formula. Are we there? So, we start. Total outcome is the number of letters here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I have 9. Required outcome, letter S. How many letter S can you find in the question? 1 and 2. So we have 2. So probability of picking letter S is what? 2 over 9. And that's our final answer. Any question? Any question?
Sorry, sir, the board is
Any
blurry.
question? The board is blurry. Okay. Let me rewrite it for you so you can see what we are writing. So we have total outcome is 9. So I will snap the answer for you, okay? We don't have much time, but your answer is 2 over 9. Total outcome is 9. Required outcome is 2. Probability of picking letter S equals to